Hey, good morning. Welcome back. This is Miss Domini, and I am going to help walk you through the task of uploading your reflection about the graduate vision into your Xello portfolio. So you have a couple of things to do today. The first thing is to finish your reflection if you haven't already done so. Or remember, that's in your Google Classroom, and it looks like this. You each have your own, and you should have filled out just these two questions and try to be thoughtful as you go along. And then the next part is to upload that reflection into Xello. And then as well, if you have an assignment or an activity or a photo, if it's like a piece of artwork or something, you can upload that as well. That makes it really nice so you can see what it is that you're talking about. If you get done, you can help your classmates who might have some technical difficulties, and or you can work on adding interests and places, which is these icons here at the bottom of the same page where you do the Xello reflection. So ultimately, what you are doing is building an electronic portfolio which showcases your work, and this will be where you house all of this work all the way through high school. So as you become a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior in high school, you'll be scrolling back through what you're putting in here now. Um, we are looking for some helpers here. So some of you have been in Miss Cohen's class in computers, and you have actually done multiple different times of learning how to upload things to Xello. So if you feel like you're somebody that can be a helper, please make sure that your classmates know who you are and that you are ready and willing to help. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and get into the business of trying to link a document into your Xello portfolio. So your first step is to log into Xello, and you'll remember that you get there on the library homepage in the bottom left-hand corner. So not on this screen, but down in the bottom left is where the Xello login. It looks like this. Okay. And once you log in, you'll come to this page and you're going to go up here and click the About Me tab on the top. That tab will bring you, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, so you're going to have to go all the way down and you're going to have something called the storyboard. Some of you already have documents uploaded to this, and if so, it'll look a little bit different, but for some of you, you will not. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on the icon web link. Okay, you are not going to click on the using a document from your Google Drive even though it's already in your drive. And the reason for that is if you use the drive option, as it says down here, it will save it as a PDF file, meaning it more or less takes a picture of your document. And so any changes that you make won't be included. So scroll all the way down. Remember the scroll bar is over here. And then you're going to come to this little icon that says link, a web link. Then it will pop up this screen right here, and it will have a place for you to link that document. Okay, so you're going to leave this. So once you get to this screen, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to open up a new tab in your drive. So if you look at this picture down here, this is a tab and this is a tab. So you're going to open up your Google Drive and you're going to come down and find whatever document it is that you want to upload. So in this case, it's going to be the graduate vision reflection that you worked on yesterday. That's likely if you tap into recents over here, it should show up right here. So you're going to click that open, whatever document it is that you want to upload. Your next step will be to come to the document, and up in the upper right hand corner over here is a button that says share. So you're going to click on that button that says share, and then that will open up a new pop-up screen. And right here it's going to have an item that says copy link. Okay, so you're going to click on copy link, and then it's going to give a link address right here. So once you have that link, once you've clicked copy link, then you are going to go back Okay, go back to the Xello page. So again, the tab up at the top about Xello, and then you are going to click paste. So you'll right click and paste in the link that you were provided. Okay, so far so good. Then you will see, you'll be directed back to your storyboard and you can see your new link. So it will be here. So you're going to add that as you go. Nope, I missed a slide. Whoops. Let's back up just a second. All right, so you're going to get that link. So once you've pasted that link, okay, remember we're pasting the link, click get the link, and then it's going to open up a new screen. Okay, you're going to have up here will be the link. Don't do anything with this big long address up here. You're going to go down to the next one that says title, and what you want to put in there is graduate vision reflection December 2018. Again, put Graduate Vision Reflection, December 2018. Then you know what it is. And then why is this important to you? So you'll put in just a quick brief description of the reflection that you wrote already. Okay, and then you're going to come down here to the Done button and hit Done. And that will then upload your document into the storyboard. You would go back if you have an actual assignment that you want to upload, so you for sure need to upload the document that you started yesterday. If you actually have an artifact, a picture, or something that you want to upload, you are going to come back to, back up here to do that, unless it is that you're going to be uploading a different kind of document. So you could upload from your drive if you're uploading a picture, because that won't change. All right, so once you're done, you will come down here and you'll notice this will be your assignment listed. It'll have a title and it'll have your description here. If you double click on this, it will actually open up and you can edit whatever you have written here. So if you realize that you've got a typo or you've named it wrong or you wanted to add something, you can do that there. And then on to your next step. So so you can visit the link and if you're all done, you can just finish out. And that is how you upload a document, and that is how you edit how it is described. And that will be on your portfolio until you take it off. But don't do that because it will be kind of fun to look back at your 6th, 7th, or 8th grade self when you're a junior and senior in high school. So thanks much. If you have more questions, be sure to ask one of your classmates who feels like they can be a helper, or go back and re-listen to this screencast, which will also be posted in your advisory Google Classroom. And then again, once you're done, you can fill out the right above the storyboard are these interests and places. So you can go through and let Xello know things that you like in a lot of different categories, and you can also identify where you were born and where your family lives and things like that. All right, that does it for today, and thanks much for listening in.